Welcome to my channel. I'm Making Marissa, and this is the look that we're going to be doing today. This look definitely gives me Doja Cat vibes, so let's get started with the tutorial. You're going to start out with a clean face. I did my eyebrows before I filmed this video, so I'm going to go ahead and start concealing. I'm going to conceal underneath it just to clean up around my brows, and I'm going to just bring the concealer down on my eyelids so I can start off with a blank canvas for my eyeshadows. Here's for the fun part. Here are the shadows. I'm taking one of these dark brown shades and I'm going to go ahead and pop that in my crease. I am going to then blend upwards and outwards. And grabbing my new favorite, my Morphe James Charles palette, I'm going to go into these two brown shades and just add a little bit more depth and color to my plain, boring brown shades on my eyelids. Now it's time to cut with my makeup wipes. I'm going to go ahead and take a makeup wipe and just cut the shape that I made with my eyeshadow into the shape that I want. Going back into my Morphe palette, grabbing this black over here and popping that on the very end of my eyeshadow look, just to again add more depth and color to it. This is a staple right here, right here. This contour kit by Black Radiance is the shit. Not only do they have medium to light, they have medium to dark and dark to deep. Dark to deep. Black, man. Black contour. And it also comes with a sculpting powder and a highlight. I'm not being paid. I just really do like their product and I actually spend my own hard-earned cash on it. Anyways, super inexpensive. And I'm going to go ahead and pop my highlight shade from my medium to dark palette. All right, guys, now that we have both eyes matching, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. So after I'm done with my eyes, I usually start working on the rest of my face. I start concealing, and I do start with my foundation afterwards. How could I forget the lashes? We gotta add some lashes onto this look because we're being a little dramatic, and we all know Doja Cat loves some big boofies. So we gotta go ahead and put some big boofies on just to make everything tie together. Big boofies applied. Now we're moving on to foundation. I used the Maybelline Fit Me in 360 and in 345. My color is coconut. I don't have that, so I'm using my summer shade and my friend's normal shade just to get my normal foundation color. I'm going to conceal under my eyes and on my chin and a little bit on my nose with my L'Oreal Infallible 310 foundation. This is super light on me, but I have under eye bags, so I need to cover them up and make my skin look as smooth as possible. Going in with my Black Radiance Contour Kit palette, I'm going to go ahead and contour my cheeks and my nose and my chin and make everything look like I haven't eaten in weeks. Okay, guys, thank you so much for getting ready with me. See you again next time. Bye.